So we're going to microwave 1/2 of the sweet potato and cook the other half in the air fryer without being microwaved. Again, these are going to be French fried, air fried sweet potato French fries. So we'll see if you can do it without microwaving 1/2. Stay tuned. So I've peeled my sweet potato, and next they'll be going into the air fryer with olive oil. Thank you for watching. Hold on.
Girls on me, on the dance floor, all eyes on me. Who is he? Then you better come get your girl dog. All eyes on me, party like a rock star. You can find me in VIP. All eyes on me, yeah, where the girls are. This is high on the night TV. All eyes on me, all eyes on the prize. Money supersized, G5 super fly, should be supervised.
Here we are. I just pulled these sweet potatoes out of the microwave, and I cut the one that was not in the microwave, and here they are for you. These microwaved sweet potatoes that were soaked in water in the microwave. These are the sweet potatoes that are raw. We are putting both of these into the air fryer to see which consistency we like. We are making sweet potato French fries today in the air fryer. And again, here are the ones that were pre-cooked, and here's the ones that are raw to see which consistency we like in the air fryer. So stay tuned. I decided to do them separately. So here are the pre-cooked sweet potatoes. They've been drizzled with olive oil and a little bit of salt, and now we are adding some cinnamon. Ooh, we can't see it, sorry. Cinnamon, sugar. It really should be done outside of the air fryer. 15 minutes at 360. It's a luxury air fryer. You can see I have the salt, I have the olive oil, and we're using the cinnamon sugar and the luxury air fryer. Let's see how the pre-cooked sweet potato fries turn out. Bye-bye. Okay, you guys, they've been 15 minutes. And they are crispy, but not as crispy as I like. So now we know the pre-cooked should go 20 minutes. I'm gonna do 5 more minutes, okay? Here are the pre-cooked sweet potato fries done in our luxury air fryer. Let's see how they taste today. Again, I put brown sugar and salt on them with olive oil. They are the right consistency. They're crispy enough. You can see the crisp on the end, but they're loose enough. There's a crunch even. Come on through, Lisa. I haven't eaten all day. She's dropping off the kids this morning. They are fantastic. Crispy enough. You can still hear the crunch, but flimsy enough. A quick, healthy snack for you, sweet potato fries. These are the pre-cooked in the microwave, and then we cut them, as you saw earlier in the video. Let's see how the uncooked sweet potatoes turn out in the air fryer. Hold on. Okay guys, these are been cooking for 15 minutes on 360. There's 2 minutes left. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it now because I think they have a good crispy look. They are sizzling. They are fantastic. They have great color, and let's hope they're crispy. I'm gonna get them on the platter and serve them up, guys. Just wanted to see what my luxury air fryer does. Again, these are not cooked in the microwave. These are not pre-cooked sweet potatoes, and we put them in the air fryer, and we are going to see how they taste. Again, not pre-cooked. Hold on. They're glistening. They are glistening. They have wonderful color. They've already been salted, and the Brown sugar has already been added. They look too hot to eat, so bear with me. You can see the steam rising off of them. Aren't they gorgeous? So my question or my quest is how they will taste not pre-cooked. You guys, they are better than the pre-cooked. Put your sweet potatoes raw right into the air fryer. You will not be disappointed. Thank you for joining me on Carter's Eat for the pre-cooked air fryer sweet potato fries and the raw air fryer sweet potato fries. Oh my God, they are fantastic. And thank you for coming to Carter's Eat again. The raw sweet potato fries. I'm blown away. I did not know how to cook them. So that is why I had to do it both ways to find out which would turn out better. One sweet potato, cut in half. One half put in the microwave, one half cooked raw. Both of them cooked in the air fryer. My vote is the raw. Fantastico. Again, olive oil, salt, brown sugar, cinnamon, drizzled over top, air fryer 15 minutes. Do Lord. Thank you for coming to Carter's Eat.
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne, murder.